Hey guys, what's up? So I just got back from the gym and I'm putting some stuff on the grill, get some burgers and dogs going, little post-workout meal. So I'm quickly finding out how much of a pain it is and expensive it is to buy a boat slip. So here's my problem. Every time we put the boat in the water, I have to hope that there's a parking spot. So my son takes the boat off the trailer. I back the truck in, he drives the boat off. We're like a team. I make an attempt to park the truck if there's any more spots available. He waits in the water. Sometimes we can't find the spots, so I've got to shag the boat back to our campground, dump the trailer off. It's like an hour-long process, so it's a huge pain. So right now, we've been up against trying to find a boat slip for the rest of the year, and we kind of found a couple of them. I don't know how you guys are making out there, but up here in New Hampshire, man, the boat slips, the covered one's about $5,000, $5,500 seems to be. Some of the dock slips, like $2,500, $3,000 for a lot of them. And I'm not sure if those are the prices you guys are getting wherever you are. I'd like to kind of hear from the rest of the United States to see what you're paying, and it'd be kind of interesting. So that is today's dilemma, is to find a boat slip. Because this trailering business is a huge pain in the ass. It's my first year with this boat, and it's in the water, out of the water, and you guys know if you have a boat, a lot can go wrong with putting it on the trailer, putting the plug in, make sure everything's tied down, make sure the tether's on the bow. It's a million things that go wrong. So it's kind of comical. But that's what's going on for this week